So apparently you guys really liked this artichoke video. 6 million views on an artichoke video. I guess we're getting artichokes again, right?
What's up, buddy? What's up with this?
For you.
An artichoke from upstairs? Yeah. Oh, I've never had.
Okay, so Grant, can you tell me, for the people that don't know, what is an artichoke?
What is one? It's a flower, really.
It's a flower?
Yeah. And this is like a bud. It's like a flower bud, and it's about, if you let it grow, it'll actually get huge. But we like to eat them before they blossom, and you break off the little petals and eat them, or you eat the stem, which can be really nice, like sweet kind of sunchoky potato texture if you do it right and cook it nice and tender. But a lot of ways to serve them, but it's a big flower.
So right now I'm just trying to figure out what would be good with the artichokes. I'm thinking citrusy. 4 for $5, that's insane. What do you think would be good with artichokes?
With artichokes? Crab.
Crab? Live strip clams?
Yeah. Boston.
Ooh, delicious. Gooey duck?
Yeah, big one.
That's a big gooey duck. Looks good to me, dude.
Nice and leggy.
Yeah, use that. Alex, we got artichokes.
There you go, brother.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, man.
The video that went viral was a video of me turning the artichokes. Now, turning is just a term for basically getting to the heart and cleaning the artichoke. Now, since there were so many questions on the shorts of like, can we get more in-depth on this, or can we have a longer video on this, I figure I might as well explain this. It's very important that I have some lemon water set aside. This is to make sure that they don't turn brown. Time for your mama Benno. Cutting all this off. See, we're not cutting off too much. I can still see the heart there. And we just rip off some leaves until I can sort of see some white here. This knife aside, and then I'll get a smaller knife like such. See, this is why it's called turning the artichoke. I'm taking my knife and I'm just going around the artichoke, turning it until I've got till this white part right here. I don't want to take off too much. Once I get to this point, I can decide if I want to leave the stem on or just remove it and make my life easier. I like them on. It's not as easy, but it's possible. I start kind of at the stem, bring the knife towards me, and then just scrape that off. Dip as you go to keep it from browning. We've gone from this to this. Now at this point, take my knife sort of going in at an angle, as you can see, just to remove most of those little hairs from that heart. Now be patient with this part right here. This is when I'm gonna use a spoon. So you take your spoon, and all we're gonna do is just scrape away at these little hairs here. These are not good eating. A little scrapey scrape, scrapey scrape, until we get to the heart, just like that. I've got a peeler now, and I'm just gonna peel away. You gotta get to the center of the stem because all this stuff around it is not good eating, very woody. So once you got to the center, I mean, you're good. My battery is dying. Is this enough artichokes, dude?
I'd say like 5 more.
No! Here, try that out. Oh, fuck.